Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about animal lives. So let's start. Have you ever been to a zoo? At zoo we can see lots of animals and birds. Our world is a beautiful place. There are different kinds of animals, birds, and insects in this world. Some animals are big and some animals are small. Animals and birds are living things, so they eat food, grow in size, they move from one place to another in search of food. They leave egg or give birth to a young one. Woodpecker, parrot, crow, penguin, pigeon, owl, and ostrich. These all are birds. These birds have legs to walk. They have wings to fly. Most of the birds can fly, but birds like ostrich, penguin, and kiwi cannot fly. Birds eat with the help of their beak because they do not have teeth to eat. If we talk about animals, some animals are big and some animals are small. Some animals live in jungle like lion, tiger, bear, gorilla, and fox. These are called wild animals because they live in a forest. Some animals like whale, crocodile, frog, duck, tortoise, and snake live in water. Crocodile, frog, and duck live both in land as well as in water. Monkey and snake can live on tree and plants. Do animals need food to live and grow? Yes, animals are living things, and like us, they also need food to live and grow. Animals need different kinds of food to eat, like horse, cow, goat, and sheep eat grass and plants. Pigeon, hen, and squirrel need food grains to eat. Frog and lizard eat insects. Lion, kingfisher, and vulture eat flesh of other animals. Bear and crow eat both plants, grains, and flesh of other animals. Do animals need home to live in? Yes, like us, animals also need home to live in to protect themselves from heat, snow, cold, and rain. Sparrows live in a nest. Spider build a web for themselves and live in a web. Bee live in beehive. Ant in ant hill. Rabbit digs burrow for itself. Lion live in a den. There are few animals for whom we make home. For example, dog live in a kennel. Cow live in a shed. Fish live in an aquarium. We make hutch for rabbit. And we make stable for horse. So friends, this was all about plants and animal life. In next lesson, we will learn some another topic. Till then, bye bye.